What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll learn the operation of LG air conditioner remote control. All the functions are covered step by step. Stay tuned for the rest of this video. Firstly, insert batteries. Remove the battery cover and insert the new batteries and make sure that the positive and negative terminals are installed correctly, and then set the battery cover as before. Then setting to the current time. This icon blinks at the bottom of the display screen. Press up and down button and set to current time, and then press set cancel button to finish. The model number and all details of this air conditioner are listed in description. To turn on off the air conditioner, press this button once to start operation and press once again to stop it. Air conditioner will start at default temperature, that is 24 degree, which will displayed on indoor unit. You can also turn on off the air condition from indoor unit when the remote control is unavailable. Open the front cover and press the on off button. Using the comfort air, this function conveniently sets the vane to a preset position to deflect the supply air away from blowing directly. To enable, press comfort air button repeatedly and select the desired direction. These icons are displayed on the remote screen and these on the indoor unit. This function is disabled and auto swing of vertical direction is set up when you press this button. Light off button is used to turn indoor unit display on or off. Press once to turn off, again press once to turn on. The air conditioner operates with the operation mode of your choice. Press mode button and select the desired mode. Each pressing of the button advances the mode setting in sequence. Cooling mode, auto changeover mode, dehumidification mode, heating mode, fan mode. Now let's study all modes one by one. First, cooling mode. Press mode button repeatedly to select the cooling mode. This icon displayed on the remote screen. Press temperature up and down button to set the desired temperature. In this mode, air conditioner cools the room. Next, auto changeover mode. This mode changes the mode automatically to maintain the set temperature at ±2 degrees. To enable, press mode button repeatedly to select the auto changeover mode. This icon is displayed on the remote screen. Press temperature up down button to set the desired temperature. Next, dehumidification mode or monsoon mode. This mode removes excess moisture from a room during the rainy season. This mode adjusts the room temperature and the fan speed automatically to maintain the optimal level of humidity. Press mode button in sequence to select this mode, and this icon is displayed on remote screen. Next is heating mode. Press mode button in sequence to select heating mode. This icon is displayed on remote screen. Press temperature up down button to set the desired temperature. Last, fan mode. This mode only circulates the indoor air without changing the room temperature. Press mode button in sequence to select the fan mode. This icon is displayed on remote screen. Press fan speed button to adjust the fan speed. Using the fan speed function, each pressing of fan speed button adjusts the airflow rate setting in sequence. The fan speed of natural wind adjusts automatically when this icon is displayed on remote screen. This icon indicates low, medium, medium high, high. The fan speed icon are also displayed on indoor unit in this sequence. 4-in-1 function. Press this button in sequence to enable this function. First step, the power input is decreased by 20% compared to rated power input. This icon is displayed on remote screen and also on indoor unit. Second step, the power input is decreased by 40% compared to rated power input. Again, these icons are displayed. In third step, the power input is decreased by 60% compared to rated power input, and these icons are displayed on remote screen and on indoor unit. This function is available in cooling mode only, and actually the capacity of air conditioner was decreasing in this mode. Next is jet mode function. This function allows you to cool indoor air quickly during the summer or warm it quickly in winter. For cooling and heating model, the jet mode function is available with cooling, heating and dehumidification mode, and for cooling only model available with cooling, dehumidification, fan, auto operation mode and air purification function. Press jet mode button to enable. This icon is displayed on the remote screen and on the indoor unit. In this mode, strong air blows out for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes later, setting temperature is maintaining 18 degree for cooling mode and 30 degree for heating mode. To cancel jet mode before 30 minutes, press the jet mode button once. The function will be disabled. Next is swing mode. First we discuss vertical swing. Press this button in sequence to select the desired direction. Each pressing this button indicates the airflow direction with these icons on remote screen, and when this icon displayed, it indicates that airflow direction is set to automatically. Similarly, in horizontal swing, press the button in sequence to select the desired direction of airflow. Indication of airflow direction will display on remote screen with these icons, and these icons indicate that airflow direction is set to automatically. When this icon will disappear from remote screen, it means the swing function has been disabled. Press room temperature button to know the current room temperature. About 5 seconds, the room temperature was displayed on remote screen. Smart diagnosis using smartphone function is also enabled from this button. I will create another video on this function. Sleep function. This function turns off the air conditioner automatically when you go to sleep. Press this sleep button. This icon start blinking on remote screen. Press setting up and down button to select the hour up to 7 hours. Then select set cancel button to set the sleep function. This icon is displayed on remote screen and this icon on indoor unit. Indoor unit display is displayed from 1H to 7H, which is displayed only 5 seconds and then returning to the setting temperature. In the cooling and dehumidification mode, the temperature increases by 1 degree after 30 minutes and additionally 1 degree after another 30 minutes for a more comfortable sleep. The temperature increases up to 2 degree from the preset temperature. To cancel this operation, press sleep button once and then press set cancel button. Next is timer on off function. This function sets the air conditioner to turn on off automatically at desired time. On off timer can be set together. First, let's see how to set on timer. Press this timer button. This icon blinks on the remote screen. Then press setting up and down button to select the time. To set, press set cancel button. After setting the timer, current time and on icon are displayed on the remote screen, indicating that the desired time is set. To cancel, press timer button. This icon start blinking. Then press set cancel button. Now setting the off timer, press timer button in sequence, and when this icon start blinking on remote screen, then press setting up and down button. To select the time to set, press set cancel button. After setting the timer, current time and off icon are displayed on remote screen. To cancel, press timer button. This icon start blinking. Then press set cancel button. At last, using special function, press function button and press set cancel button to finish. This icon is displayed on remote screen. This function removes moisture generated inside the indoor unit. To cancel again, press function button and then set cancel button. So this is all about for this video. For any queries, do comment. I definitely reply you. So meet in next video. Till then, goodbye.